Hi everybody. Are you getting the message, this site can't be reached when using Google Chrome on your mobile phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to fix this problem. We'll go through each step one by one. Make sure to follow along with your phone. The first thing you can try is clearing your browsing history in Chrome. Sometimes, old data or broken cached files can cause loading issues. To clear it, open Chrome on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to History. Tap Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time from the time range. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and cached images and files. Now tap Clear Data. Once this is done, close Chrome and open it again. Try visiting the website once more. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to try is using Secure DNS. Sometimes DNS issues can block websites. To turn this on, open Chrome. Tap the three dots again. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now look for Use Secure DNS. Tap on it. Make sure it's turned on. You can choose a provider like Google or Cloudflare. This can help your phone connect to websites more reliably and securely. If the issue continues, it might be your network. Try choosing your network manually. On your phone, go to Settings. Then, tap on Network and Internet. Tap Mobile Network. Then, go to Network Operators. Wait for it to search for available networks. Once the list appears, choose your carrier manually. This will refresh your mobile signal and may fix the issue if it's caused by a weak or unstable connection. Lastly, you can try using a VPN. A VPN can help bypass network restrictions or blocked websites. Go to the Play Store or App Store and search for a trusted VPN app. Download and install it. Open the app and connect to a server. Once connected, open Chrome and try visiting the website again. A VPN changes your virtual location, which can help if the site is blocked in your region or by your internet provider. These steps usually fix the site can't be reached error in Chrome on mobile. Try them in order and check the website after each step. If one method doesn't work, move on to the next. This way, you can find the cause and fix it without any confusion. Remember, small steps often solve big problems. Keep your apps and system updated and your browsing should stay smooth.